Welcome back, everyone. This is another Inner Life 101 video. Eligio said the other day that he was the truth, and that he so much is the truth that if we search the word truth, that on his videos will come up. And that's what I did. I searched the word truth. And let's see what we got here. Now, one thing I found that there was very little videos with melanated people on it, so we know I wouldn't have to look too hard. And then we have the First Church of Truth, or First Church Truth of God. Oh my God. First Church Truth of God. Okay, it almost sounds like Eligio, but I doubt it. And we got somebody here getting married. Does she look melanated? Maybe. Anyways, nah, he's not into that. He's not the marrying kind. There's somebody melanated. Oh, that's India Irie. Her song is the truth. That's probably pretty good stuff. And I go down more and more. Go down more. It'll be easy with the touch. Uh-oh. Fantasia, truth is. I bet you that's nice too. Probably religious. And I do not see one of Eligio's, and he has many videos out too, boy. Especially with all the Instagram and all that other stuff. You know, if this is any real indication, like if I took him for his word, as he says that if you search you know, I am the truth, and if you search me, you see one of my videos come up, and I don't see any of his videos come up, not one of them, that means you the Antichrist, dude. You are the Antichrist. You are definitely not the Christ. And you're definitely not the truth. I know that already, but I thought I'd try anyway. Like I said, in my other video, I was looking, and as I started saying, as I was going on, I was saying, like I was talking about this lady here, the lady in the wedding gown, she has on sunglasses, so she almost look like Kermit or something. But that's only because she got the glasses on. But as I was talking, and I realized, I was talking, I said, he's kind of like Trump, though, because Trump, you have to fact check him. So because he says stuff that are not true, like this, like I'm the truth, and you can look it up, and you see my videos. My videos will come up. Well, he sounds just like Trump, and you have to check him, and maybe he need to put the truth in his tags so that his video can come up under the truth. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna put the truth in my videos because it is a lot of videos under the truth. I thank you for coming. Do me a favor, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace and blessings.